Hey everyone, it's Tom Robbins here. SharePoint Fest Seattle is approaching pretty quickly. 5 great days at the end of August 20th through the 24th. And again, for this session, I'll be doing a half-day workshop on content types. It's titled Deep Dive into Content Types. In this session, we're going to talk about a lot of different aspects of content types, but basically everything in SharePoint is based on some kind of content type from Microsoft, but you have to learn how to create your own content types to help you organize and manage your data in ways that represent the way your business operates. And content types allow us to organize and manage and handle content in a consistent way across all of our sites. So in the half-day workshop, it's going to be on Tuesday, we'll learn the basics and advanced topics around content types. We'll also learn how to create content types that enable us to automate many of our typical business processes. So we'll talk about what are content types, how to create simple and complex content types to mimic our business content. We're going to learn how to leverage content type inheritance. We'll also talk about how to implement information management policy on content types. Also get into some workflow, attaching workflow to content types so you can automate approvals around specific types of content, gather feedback, those types of things. And we'll also talk about how to attach content types to lists and libraries for uniform deployment across sites. Content types are one of my favorite things to talk about, so I look forward to seeing everyone in Seattle. It's going to be another fantastic conference. So come see me on Tuesday, and we'll spend half a day learning more than you could ever imagine about content types. All right, everyone. See you soon.